Why does life feel empty? Sometimes people look happy on the outside. They smile, they work hard, they make money. They post photos, they talk loudly in group, but deep inside, many of them feel empty. And when a person feels empty inside, something strange begins to happen. Instead of building their own life, they start watching other people's lives. Instead of improving themselves, they criticize others. Instead of creating peace, they create small dramas. I started thinking deeply about this recently, because sometimes when you try to do something positive, helping people, organizing events, teaching, bring people together, not everyone becomes happy for you. Some people become uncomfortable. Not because you hurt them, not because you attacked them, but because your energy reminded them of something missing inside themselves. This is one of the hardest truths about human psychology. People who are busy building a meaning life usually don't spend much time attacking others. They are too busy learning, too busy loving, too busy growing, too busy healing. But people who feel empty inside often focus on other people. They gossip, they make indirect comments, they try to reduce someone's life little by little. Not openly, not directly, just enough to create discomfort. And the sad thing is, sometimes these people are not strangers. Sometimes they are friends, co-workers, people we trusted. That pain feels different because betrayal from strangers is easy to understand, but negativity from trusted people creates confusion inside the heart. You'll start asking yourself, did I do something wrong? Why are they acting like this? Why does this affect me so much? But after thinking deeply, I realized something important. Many people today are not truly living, they are surviving. They wake up thinking only about money, work, bills, business, profit. And of course, money is important. We all need money to survive. But when money becomes the center of life, the soul slowly becomes hungry. A person can have a successful business, a beautiful car, and still feel empty at night. Why? Because human beings, we are not created only to make money. We are created for connection, meaning, love, health, purpose, peace. A rich man without peace is still poor inside. And sometimes a simple person with good friends, healthy relationships, and inner peace is much richer than a millionaire. Modern society teaches us work more, earn more, compete more, show more. But very few people ask, how's your heart? Do you sleep peacefully? Do you feel loved? Do you feel low? This is why so many people secretly suffer from emptiness. And when emptiness becomes too strong, people search for temporary distractions. Some use gossip, some use social media, some use alcohol, some become addicted to attention. Some attack others to feel powerful for a moment. Because hurting someone can create a temporary illusion of superiority, but it never heals the emptiness, never. Real healing begins when a person stops comparing, stops competing, stops watching everybody else, and starts asking, what kind of human being do I want to become? Not how much money do I have, but what kind of energy do I bring into people's lives? When people meet you, do they feel peace or stress? Do they feel accepted or judged? At the end of life, nobody says, I wish I made slightly more money. People usually say, I wish I spent more time with loved ones. I wish I protected my health. I wish I lived more honestly. I wish I appreciated life more. Health matters. Relationships matter. Inner peace matters. Because once health disappears, money suddenly becomes less important. And once trust disappears, loneliness becomes very heavy. So, what should we do when people criticize us indirectly? First, don't become like them. Don't answer darkness with darkness. Second, understand psychology. Many negative people are carrying invisible pain. A peaceful person usually doesn't spend energy destroying others. Third, continue your mission quietly. If you're helping people, keep helping. If you are teaching, keep teaching. If you are bringing people together, keep doing it. Not everyone will understand your heart, and that is okay. In the end, life becomes meaningful not because everyone approves of us, but because we stayed true to ourselves. And maybe the real purpose of life is not becoming rich. Maybe the real purpose is becoming deeply human. A human being with compassion, with honesty, with courage, with kindness. Because money can buy comfort, but it cannot buy inner peace. And without inner peace, even a successful life can still feel empty. But there is something important I slowly start understanding. A meaningful life is not built only by success. Real meaning comes from connection, from conversations, from helping someone, from teaching, from laughing together, from feeling that existence brings warmth into another person's life. Sometimes modern people become so busy chasing success that they forget to feel life itself. They become productive, but emotionally disconnected. And that emotional disconnection slowly creates emptiness. This is why even successful people sometimes feel lonely inside. Because the human heart doesn't serve on money alone. It serves on meaning. So maybe the answer is not to become richer and richer endlessly. Maybe the answer is balance. Work hard, yes. Build your future, yes. Earn money, yes. But also protect your health, protect your peace, protect real relationship, protect your humanity. Spend time with people who make your soul feel calm. Create something meaningful. Teach something, learn something, help someone without expecting anything back. Even small moments matter. A simple tea with good people, a deep conversation, a smile from someone you helped. Sometimes these moments give more meaning than money ever could. And maybe that is what many people are truly searching for. Not luxury, not status, but the feeling that their life genuinely matters. So, if your heart has been feeling empty lately, maybe your soul is not asking for more success. Maybe it is asking for more meaning. Thanks for listening. Please share.